This is LAQ. In this problem, we have to show that the determinant 1ABC, 1BCA, 1CAB is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. So first we will write the given determinant 1, 1, 1, A, B, C. This is BC, CA, AB. So on the right hand side we have A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So here we have to apply row operation. A minus B means when we subtract second row, third row, first row, then we get A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So first we will performing row operation R2. R2 minus R3, row operation. So this is R2. R2 first term is 1, R3 first term is 1. So we will write 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here when we subtract second terms, R2 second term is B, R3 second term is C. So this is B minus C. So here also we have B minus C. Means we got this term. In the next step, R2 third term, C minus A and CA minus AB. So this is CA minus AB. From here, when we take A common, it becomes C minus B. But we have to get B minus C. So we are taking minus sign also common. So it becomes minus A into B minus C. So in place of second row, we will write these values in the next determinant. Now we have to change third row also. So performing R3 minus R1. R3 first term is 1, R1 first term is 1. So we will write 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. R3 second term C, R1 second term A. So it is C minus A. So here also we got C minus A. B minus C, C minus A. These two terms we got by performing row operations. Okay. Now R3 third term is AB and this is BC. AB minus BC. So take B common, it becomes A minus C. But we have to get C minus A. So here also we are taking minus sign common. So minus B into C minus A. This becomes third row elements. So here we will write first row as it is 1ABC. In the first row we are writing 1A B C. Second row, here second row elements are 0 B minus C minus A into B minus C. This is 0 B minus C and this is minus A into B minus C. Now our third row elements are 0 C minus A minus B into C minus A. 0 C minus A minus B into C minus A. So from second row we can take B minus C common. From third row we can take C minus A common. So we get B minus C and C minus A. We are taking outside. First row write as it is 1A B C. Second row 0. When I take this term outside, here 1 is left. So it is 1. When we take this term outside, we have only minus A. So this is minus A. Here also 0. It becomes 1. From here minus B is left. Minus B. So this is our leading diagonal. Diagonal elements are 1, 1 minus B. So we have to get this term equal to 0. We have to make this term is equal to 0. So we will perform row operation R3 minus R2. Means below the diagonal we have to make all the elements are equal to 0. So we got 0 here, 0 here. So this term is 1. So we have to make it 0. So we are performing row operation R3 minus R2. R3 first term is 0. R2 first term is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. R3 second term is 1. R2 second term 1. So R3 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here R3 third term is minus b and this is minus a. R3 minus b minus of minus a. So we get minus b plus a. Minus b plus a can be written as a minus b because here we have a minus b. Okay. So in third row, we in place of this 0 1 minus b, we will substitute 0 0 and a minus b. So here we have b minus c, c minus a outside the determinant. We will write as it is b minus c, c minus a. Determinant. First row is 1a bc, 1a bc. Keep as it is. Second row 0 1 minus a, 0 1 minus a. Third row 0 0 a minus b. 0 0 a minus b. Okay. Now this is our diagonal. Below the diagonal we have all the terms are zeros. 0 0 0. So if we have the elements which are below the diagonal or above the diagonal, if all the elements are equal to 0, then the product of this diagonal is the determinant value. Okay. So here we will write the property. If all the elements below the diagonal or above the diagonal are 0, then the product of the determinant, the product of the diagonal, product of the diagonal is the determinant value. So here we have b minus c, c minus a outside. We will keep as it is b minus c, c minus a. Product of the diagonal means 1 into a minus b. So 1 into a minus b. This can be written as a minus b ones are a minus b, a minus b ones are a minus b. Same term we will get a minus b and this is b minus c into c minus a, which is our right hand side. Finished.